Melanated, look to nature for all your answers. You see, melanated, in nature, there are certain things that happen. Things that we have lost and been forced to walk away from due to trickery and word use. I am just hurt, melanated, that we use terms like animalistic and they're acting like animals. No, if we were acting like animals, melanated, we'd be much better people because they still understand what God intended for us. It's hard for me to talk about these things, melanated, because we've come so far away from center and we have no realistic expectations of who we are and what we're capable of because we've been separated from God. People go to churches and they sit up in churches for hours on hours on end and they pray and they hoop and they holler and they sing. And then they come out and they destroy God's earth. They frack, they mine coal, all for pleasures. Animals don't do any of that. Ask yourself one thing, melanated, in your heart of souls. Ask yourself one thing. If all the animals disappeared from this earth tomorrow, the microorganisms, the worms, the bugs, the buzzards, all the animals disappeared, would life go on as normal? Then ask yourself, if all the humans disappeared tomorrow, would the world be a much better place? Not coming from the point of view of convenience and luxuries, but would the world be a Garden of Eden again if all humans disappeared? You know, I always talk about there's balance in everything. I got a little sorrow this morning for the Mother Earth, but that's okay because everything is balanced.